Hi, welcome to Let's Cook with Izzy. I'm Dave.
I'm Izzy.
And today we're going to make zucchini bread. We have an overabundance of zucchini coming out of our garden and we need something to do with it. So today we're going to make zucchini bread, and in the future we're going to make some zucchini lasagna and maybe a chocolate zucchini cake. We haven't decided quite yet.
I want to do that.
You want to do that? Okay, that sounds pretty good.
After this.
For right now, we're going to get going and put together our zucchini bread batter, and Izzy's going to do it all today. I'm just going to kind of direct and watch. Are you ready to go?
And you can help me if I need help. Right?
I'm going to help if you need help. Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. To make it easy, we're going to use our KitchenAid mixer. That way she doesn't have to struggle by hand. And let's do this. Okay? Okay. First, we're going to start with 3 eggs. You can dump that in. And to make it easy, we put 3 teaspoons of vanilla in there as well. Okay, and there are 2 cups of sugar. Instead of 2 cups of straight sugar, we're using, you can put it in, we're using 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of monk fruit sweetener. That is a lot less calories. It has a lot less carbs for those that might be diabetic, and it's just overall a little bit better for you. All right, let's put this down. And now put
I'm
it.
gonna back up.
Okay, let me back up a little bit. Put it on like number 2 or number 3.
Can I do number 3?
Yep. Go ahead. What we're doing is creaming together the eggs and the sugar. This will just help with the batter.
Mmm, smells good.
It does smell good already, doesn't it?
I think it's banana inside.
Yep. Okay. To this, we're going to add 1 cup of coconut oil. You can use any oil you'd like, vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Just pour it in there very carefully. I chose coconut oil. Now at room temperature, generally coconut oil is solid, so if you're going to use coconut oil, just microwave it and make sure it's a liquid. And we're going to let this blend together just a little bit here.
And we're gonna dump those 2 in.
And we're going to dump these in. This is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Yep. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now the difference between the 2 is baking soda is an alkali and baking powder has a little bit of acid in it, and that will help everything rise. Okay. This is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This time, turn it off. Turn it off, all the way off. Okay, now lift it up. Oops, now lift it up. Put the zucchini in carefully so it doesn't spill. Yep. Okay, what we have here is 2 cups of grated zucchini. Okay, go ahead and put it back down and lock it. And now you can put it on 3 again. Yep. Okay, that's good. Turn it off again. And now what we're going to do is put in just a little bit of, not all of it, but a little bit of the flour. Okay, I'll help. We're going to add about half the flour to begin with. Okay, now put it down.
And lock it tight.
Lock it, yep. And turn it on slow. Wait.
That.
Slow down. Stop. Unlock it. Lift it. Okay. And then carefully dump the rest of it in. Oh, from the other side.
Open.
Yep. There you go. Okay. That's good. Now put it down again.
Lock it tight.
Okay. Turn it on slow.
I put it at 1.
That's fine. Good job. Now that it's all mixed up, now we can put it into our loaf pans. We'll turn it off now. And unlock it. And then this one, we just have to lift up and turn it and pull this off. Okay? And then this, we just turn and you can lift that up. Got it? Oops. Okay. All right. Now that we're done mixing, we can put it into our loaf pans. So what we have here...
Can I do it?
Yes, you're going to do it. We have 2 silicone loaf pans. You can use glass or metal. It doesn't really matter. You just need a loaf pan to do this. Okay, now I'll hold this because it's heavy. You can use the scraper and just scoop a bunch in. Just, you don't have to do that because it's thick. Just scoop it in. Just like that. Yep. Okay. Keep scooping.
Do I move on the next one?
In a minute. We're going to put half in each pan. Okay. There you go. Okay, here I'll get the rest since it's kind of stuck on the edges, okay?
Okay. Good job, Daddy. Wow, it's looking good.
Okay, sit up so the camera can see.
But you're like, the bowl's in my way.
Yep. Oops. All right. Now. There we go. We are all set. Can you put those on the pan?
Mm-hmm. Oh, they're heavy.
Yep, they are, aren't they?
I'm gonna put them on each side.
Yep. And now what we're going to do is we preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
Hot?
It is hot. Slide those in, put that on, and now push time.
Right here?
Yep. And 60. 6, 0. Start.
Here?
Yep. And we put it into the oven 350 degrees for 1 hour. We'll see you back in an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour and I just checked the banana bread. You check it with a toothpick, and if you put it in and pull it out and it comes out clean, then they're all done. So we're gonna take these out of the oven.
Ooh, they're looking good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Go. Now you're gonna let them cool off a little bit, and then we'll start eating it. Whoa. Is good.
The nice thing about the silicone molds is that they are non-stick and they just pop open like that.
Wow.
They're very hot, aren't they, Izzy?
Mm-hmm.
Ouch. And like Izzy said, we're just going to let them cool and we'll be back to see how they turned out in a moment. Now we've let these cool for a few minutes. It's still warm, but we will
Cut it.
cut it, stand up so that everybody can see.
It's gonna look good. And we're gonna put some bread down. Can I put it on that?
Yes, you may.
Can you hold it?
Everywhere. Go over here too. There you go. Okay. Want to try that piece?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good stuff.
Mmm.
Right. As I said, we used zucchini from our garden, so we made some great zucchini bread. We're going to try some chocolate zucchini cake here, and maybe a zucchini lasagna as well at some point, so we can use up some of the zucchini because they're going kind of nuts. So, what do we say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And join us again. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.